What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to install Steam on a Windows PC. To get started, open up your web browser and head to store.steampowered.com. Once the page loads, look at the top right corner and click on Install Steam. On the next page, click the Install Steam button again, and this will download the Steam setup file to your computer. After the download is complete, open File Explorer and go to your Downloads folder. There, you'll find the file name something like steamsetup.exe. Double-click to run it. If a Windows security prompt appears, click Yes to allow it. Now, the Steam Setup installer will open. Click Next. Select your preferred language, then choose the installation folder or leave it as default. Click Install to begin the process. After being installed, Steam will launch and begin downloading further updates. Let it finish updating. This might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. After the update, the Steam login screen will appear. If you already have a Steam account, go ahead and sign in. If you are new, click Create a free account and follow the on-screen steps and you're good to go. Once you're logged in, you will land on a Steam dashboard. If you already own games, go to your library to install and play them. If not, you can explore the Store tab to buy games or download freebies. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.